Hi guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with more mani-pedi goody tools to have in your toolkit when you're doing at-home treatments for yourself, your beauty day. This is great. This side is for, you can see, it's natural bristles, boar's bristles. This is for your fingernails, to clean under your fingernails, and it gets in there, gets it well. This wood makes it nice. The grip is good. You can hold it easily without it slippering, especially when it gets wet. You don't want it to slip and fall. The bigger side is for your toes. So then you, same way, you just scrub it underneath and it helps to clear out any dirt that you may have. I keep this right in my bathroom in the medicine cabinet. So as I'm washing my hands, I can just use this regularly. When I do my pedicures, I use this. So the boar's head, they don't slip out. I've been using this brush for years now, and I find that it dries easily. I just set it out once I've used it, set it on the countertop, and it dries. And the holding is great. Like I said, you can see how it's ridged there, so you can get a good grip on it without slipping away. So if you're looking for adding to your toolkit for your mani-pedis, this is a great brush to help clean your nails, fingers, and toes.